Hi guys, it's your boy Cipher Tech here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we unbox and test the Rode Wireless Go 2. So be sure to stay to the end of this video. We got something for you guys. Let's get to the video. So let me start by saying for the Rode Wireless mic, it does a good job with audio quality and range, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to buy this microphone. Now, this is the first wireless microphone that I got. I wanted to get the DG wireless mic, but I decided to go for the Rode Wireless Go 2. It's great for video recording, increasing your range and motion, and allowing you to have freedom of movement. So we're gonna go through the unboxing, and then we're gonna go outside to do a mic test and see how this sounds. So going through the unboxing, this version I got here is the bundle version that comes with two lavalier microphones included. So we're going to test those two out with the lavalier, and we're going to take the lavalier out and just test out the Rode Wireless Go itself. Now inside you get a pouch, two wireless receivers, and the transmitter. You get the USB-C cables, and then you get a 3.5 mm analog TRS output for plugging to your camera or your cell phone, whichever you prefer, a user guide, and 3 wind muffs. And the wind muffs is a little bit better this year, and you'll see why. Now, the second package is where the lavalier mics are, and they carry their own pouches as well. All that for the price of $350. Now, side note, for now, this bundle pack is currently not available on Amazon. There are other bundles you can get for the price of about $453, but who knows, by the time this video comes out, maybe this bundle I got will be available on Amazon. Now, this mic is a dual channel mic, and you can split between both receivers, and you can set it to one single receiver given the audio. So normally, like if you have your two receivers, you can choose to have left channel on one, right channel on one, or just combine it to both channels on one receiver. So the previous Rode Wireless mic, I don't have any experience with that microphone, but the wind muffs on these mics are sturdy, and compared to the previous version that I've seen, you just clip this on, so when you're outside or moving or running or whatever, it doesn't fall off. Now let's talk about the distance. For the distance, this mic allows a distance of up to 200 meters, all thanks to the new Series 4 2.4 GHz digital transmission with 128-bit encryption. It makes it a little better when moving further from the mic. Now, some additional features of this mic include: you can update the firmware of the mic. As a matter of fact, I advise as soon as you buy this mic, the first thing you should do is connect it to your computer and update the firmware. By doing that, you have the latest features that the mic comes with. And these latest features include additional settings to optimize your audio. So you can now set it to various dB levels, depend on what situation or room or place you find yourself. If you didn't update it, I think you're only limited to about 3 or 4 dB levels, and after you update the microphone, you can change levels, you can add additional settings to the microphone and do other stuff with it. And also, I will drop a link to the download if you buy this microphone. You can just go Google it though, Rode Wireless Go 2 PC suit or whatever, and just download it, and you're good to go. And that's about it. So that's it for everything about this microphone. So far so good. It's really helped me as far as outdoor shooting videos. I think it'll give me that good audio quality when I'm shooting outside. So let's go outside, and I will show you a clip of me testing this microphone outside. Let's go. Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone, and it is connected with the wind muffle attached to it. So this is a mic test outdoors to see how good this thing works.
Okay, so it is tucked into my shirt right now. And let me adjust this camera real quick so you can see I'm in my backyard. And this is a road test. I think it's at what dB is this at? I think it's -9 dB. Yeah, it's at -9 dB. Outdoors test of the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone. And I'm gonna go back. So the farther I go, the more I wanna see if this thing works. So still going further down, further down, further down, further down, further down. I don't know if this is working from here, but I'm down there. So this is a test of distance basically. And now I'm coming closer. I don't know if it worked, but I think it should. And yeah, so this comes with two. The second transmitter is right here, and I also have a lavalier. Also, if I wanted to connect the lavalier, I have it right here. So we'll do that test, and we'll test them. But right now, this is just the microphone connected with the wind muffle around. I'm pretty sure to pick up bird sounds and all that sounds around me. But as far as the audio is concerned, I think this is good. All right, so this is connected to the lavalier right there on my sweater. And yeah, this is a sound test with the lavalier connected to the Rode Wireless Go transmitter. And how does the audio sound? I think it sounds good. I think it'll be crisp. And I'm using this at -9 decibels. I think it's pretty good, -9 to -12 for outdoor recordings like this, where you have a lot of sound and wind and a lot of ambient noise just around. So I think -9 is kind of okay. I will put it at 0, but I feel like at 0, the sound will be heightened. So I don't want that. I want a little bit of contrast. So that is pretty much what I'm doing right now. You can hear the hawks around and stuff. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. That's pretty much it. So this is a sound test. I can go back further a little bit, see how well this performs. So going back further here, and yeah, I still have good transmitting sound from the transmitter over there. And yeah, pretty much. I think one good thing about this is it increases the distance, and it also allows for freedom of movement, and also it allows for dexterity. So you can pretty much move around how you want to without being constrained to stay in one position while filming or doing a video or anything that you're doing. I will plug this to my GoPro Hero 9 Black with a media mod, but I decided to use my Canon for this test. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this clip. This is a test, again, on-field test with the Rode Wireless Go 2, and I feel this is a great buy. If you are thinking about getting a wireless microphone, I think you should consider getting this wireless mic. It is good. I think DJI has a wireless mic too, but I have not used that before. I just got this recently. So that's pretty much it. And thank you guys for watching the video. I'm Cipher. It's cold as hell out here, even though the sun is out, beautiful weather. The greens and everything is just really nice, but it is cold. I gotta go back inside. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I'm Cipher. Remember to stay safe, stay frosty all the time, and I will catch you guys. Cipher is out.